man. So we have to breadfruit now. Yeah?
Breadfruit them done
Put
now.
a lot of ashes and black. But, you know. See it there?
Why am I like to pat them though? A cylinder. I first me see that.
Yeah, man, I cylinder
bad.
use, man. You see it? Strong back soap in a man.
I breathe too.
I breathe. Yeah, man, I breathe.
This is the crayfish. This is actually indigenous. What do you call it now?
Yeah.
It's big.
In the Warragandi Valley, you find this type of crayfish.
Oh, it's good for the children. You put on your shirt. Joy, like.
Don't step in that.
BJ with the family. River setting. Look for my mother, Joni. Turn around.
Hi. Hi.
Omar, brother.
What's up? Walk on.
Joel.
Walk on.
Miami. And my
Independence.
brother.
Independence Day. Independence Day.
Jamaica, we're outside. Hello? Nearly drop.
Mom and Jody have been cooking a long time from she was about 10 when I used to go and sell in the country, and I usually have her cook my Sunday dinner. She wasn't that perfect, but she usually do her little thing. But that does now, and she can cook very much. But now she get big international, as my son says. She usually cook for all of us. When I come back from country, my little selling, because I usually sell clothes, I usually have my little business. She was the eldest girl. My son is here. Omar, come. My son is here. Come. Come, my son is... Come, my son is here. Come, my son is here.
Hold it.
My son is here and she usually cook for my son. And the next son is here, come Jerome. And she usually cook for Jerome too.
Those are my two brothers.
My two brothers and the mother. And she usually, Jordan usually cook for all of us.
Jordan
That's all she
cooking.
do.
Brian, what you have to say?
Well, I have to say, she's a good cook, long time. Yeah. She usually cook for us sometime, you know. All different type of cooking. But it's all good.
Jody a top chef, my sister a top chef.
Salt, fish and
All different type of food.
All different type of food. Everything.
But back there in the days, what she usually cook mostly? She usually cook chicken parts.
what about
Chicken parts.
Chicken back.
What about chicken back?
She usually cook chicken back too.
Yeah, chicken back.
Because my mother usually love chicken back. My mother usually cook chicken back all the time.
You know what me like to go.
And she usually cook all the time. So Jody and
Introduce yourself.
Kitchen Mr. Seymour from Birdale.
Okay. So you live up this side?
Yeah, I'm in the Balbo.
Yeah?
We travel around a lot.
Oh, that's nice.
So this is where they do the rafting, right? The
Man,
famous
whoa,
Rio Grande
yeah.
rafting. This is where they start from.
Like, all the way a raft captain.
Yeah?
So this is
Big
our
area.
raft captain, so we can get a history, a brief rundown.
tell me about rafting.
Yeah.
What you have to say about rafting?
How long you been doing rafting? How long you
From
been
I was about 11.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, I started to take it back from downstream.
So people used to trust you to carry them on the raft from age 11?
No, I was coming upstream that day.
Or you was coming upstream that?
Take it from the people who go down and enjoy themselves on it.
Okay.
Oh.
So
Apprentice.
so what happened was
Training.
We call it, yeah.
so this is what happened, Jody, yeah? When the people come up here and raft all the way to the bottom, he used to be the person who take back the raft all the way up this side. So he never had the
Oh.
opportunity to take the people down.
Oh,
He
okay.
just carry back the raft all the way back up this side. So that's why he said he was an apprentice.
That's
at
how
that.
we are apprentice.
Okay.
But it didn't take long.
Yeah? Oh.
It didn't take long for us to be a captain. Because so we young on taking up back the boat, the captain getting old. You listen what I'm saying?
So did you like your job? Did you love your job?
Oh, dear man, nobody never like on that. A tourist food we like, you know. So when
Nice, clean mother.
When the tourists ever go down on the raft and we go on the back, we carry back the raft, we are get food. We just first speaking, take it as a joke.
Yeah.
If you want to take it serious, take it serious. You know?
Yeah, but you was young at that time
Yeah,
too, so
we
you
love
know, have fun.
Yeah, we love it and we grow with it. You know? Yeah, so.
Ryan, enjoying Jamaica?
Yes, Jamaica Independence Day.
Yeah,
Yay!
drop out now.
Big up Jamaica.
Enjoy Jamaica, we are the best. Right thing. You like how me talk?
Yeah, man.
Take
You
care
be
of
honest.
your family.
Thank you.
Do what you do, the best that you can do for them.
Thank you.
You can't be the breast for them right this.
Yeah, me.
Me say if you're there, bordel.
I know me kitchen.
You know, say kitchen now.
You know, they are bordel.
Kitchen a name. You know, that bordel. Me no respond to
Someone else said
well.
that. Someone else said that.
You hear what kitchen
I'm
say?
someone say them.
If you come a bordel, and you don't see kitchen, you know they are bordel.
Ask me, man.
Ask the kitchen. Because kitchen run things a bordel.
And I'm going to give you one more name. Dandy.
Wow.
That's special.
Wow.
And we run things.
Okay. I
And
hear
I put
you.
them out the ground.
Right down a yard, down a bordel. We there.
Kitchen up right now.
Yeah. Me can't go to my right name. But nobody know my right name because I'm in a band so.
You know? Say not gonna body right name.
I'm in South Africa, my right name. I'm in South Africa, my right name. Me and you go to family.
Wow. Let's see.
But you
My
know,
God. Sure, they like the water?
I'm Brian, I don't want to go in. It's not deep enough. Over there, it's very shallow.
It's good. It's good. It's good for the children. You can draw on your shirt. Joe, you like the water?
Yeah.
Jordan, look here.
Jody.
Huh? Brian, Brian. Where's Joel? Fish. Very good, what's that? So now go to pan wood fire.
We have put on some soup,
Yeah?
some stew pork,
What kind of soup?
conch, busso, crayfish,
What's your name again?
Stella. Yeah, but for
Chef. How can they find you
Stella River Tour on Instagram,
on Instagram?
YouTube,
Okay.
Stella Home Lab Instagram too.
Okay, so you do these things all the time?
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Okay. That's
The
good.
reservation. So in a group in a month,
Yeah,
we do it the authentic way, coal, wood, firestone.
that's right.
Yeah.
Alright.
Conch, busso, crayfish soup. And we have stew pork, rice and peas, and we have roast bread and bone stew fish.
Okay, the real authentic
The
way.
authentic way, wood, coal fire, wood fire.
Love that.
Yeah, man, right beside the river. You know, right
Yeah,
there, you know?
nice.
Yeah, man.
Very nice. Love the set. The pot. Go on.
Busso go boil now. Partially boil already, boy, yeah.
When pot boil the busso,
Yeah.
and I deal with the busso thing, you see me? Busso soup.
Busso and conch and crayfish.
You see it? Strong back soup in
Yeah,
the man.
man, I breathe soup.
I breathe. Yeah, the man say I breathe soup. So any man who wear, no youth yet, come here, so.
Yeah.
Cause right I say it there. Busso, you got crayfish, we got conch. It no man, it done. Right I say it done.
Wow.
Yeah man, a bad piece of soup this man. So all of the man them, when I know youth yet, just check the big boss. See it there?
Why me like the pot them though? A cylinder. I first me see that.
Yeah man, I see it
Bad.
there, man.
Yeah?
Bust off, man. Yeah, man.
First me see it.
A 20-pound cylinder this. Yeah. We don't use and bust it.
Wow.
Bust off it too.
Love it.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna build up the wood fire now for do some cooking.
Yeah, that's good.
What's your name?
Andre.
Andre. So guys, as you can see, Andre I build up the wood fire to cook some food. And put the wood them first with 3 stones. And then I light it with, with 1 spoon, 1 plastic spoon. Catch the fire more faster. Right? Am I right, Andre?
Yeah, they're on the right track so far.
Okay. This is the real authentic way. It's still a wagon here, so.
Yeah, man, this is the authentic way our roast breadfruit. You know, wood fire.
Wow, nice.
Nice little fire. I mean, it take like about 20 minutes to take a while. So this one turn. And we finish.
Oh, these one are finished.
Yeah.
Well, nice. Love it.
So what you know when the breadfruit them roast?
Alright, you can test them by. Well, we can look on them and know because too experienced.
But some people say when the breadfruit them light, them roast.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then put
then
something.
get lighter.
Then put something.
A knife or
and
something.
push in there and just.
In the art.
And the art right there. Yeah, the art right there. So.
Yeah.
And the roast. Okay. Breadfruit is very nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Aki breadfruit and you know,
and
fish and breadfruit.
Corn pork.
Yeah, corn pork and breadfruit. But
So what are you going to serve the breadfruit with? Roast breadfruit.
Fried fish or brown stew fish.
Wow, nice.
Some pork and breadfruit. Some stew pork.
Oh. So you see the view, guys? Well, nice. Please.
A lot of families on the river also.
Oh, it's family right there.
Yeah. And I'm going to accommodate with some short raft ride.
So Stella, what you do now?
So we are prepping pumpkin boil out in a pot and ketchup color. Yeah.
Nice.
For the soup.
Them pretty though.
Yeah, man.
So do you like when they pumpkin in the soup?
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah,
Give it
true.
a nice color.
Me
Flavor
too.
Flavor. Yeah, come look on it.
Say Mado? Oh, put a bubble up.
Yeah.
So I put the pumpkin in there, so it get some color.
Yeah, but add a noodle early too, make a noodle boil with it too.
Okay. Nice.
This is the crayfish. This is actually this in indigenous. What do you call it now?
It's big.
In the Warragandi Valley, you find this type of crayfish.
Oh.
So, man,
Wow. Them biggie man.
man, it's one claw.
Oh, the claw.
One of them.
Oh, Portland River.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Probably you can find some in St. Mary too.
enough the lungs at all.
Yeah. Up above Bay Valley, no?
Yeah, man, no.
Not there, Buffy?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me get buy from Buff Bay Valley too.
Oh, okay. Wow, that look good. No, sir. This is the real deal.
Yeah, man, look proper. What a pork.
Color look real good.
Real Trenton, you know. Real Trenton. Eat a man.
Wow.
Yeah, man, Jamaica. Webs. Them man have everything locked. You see him? Them man have everything locked. Remember?
Soon get there, man.
Yeah, man.
But these are prepared to be brown stewed. You know, so we have fried them.
What kind of fish?
So we have parrot, we have snapper, we have grunt.
Oh, okay. Nice. Nice. Let's simmer down.
So this is the rice and peas pot. So the seasoning is up now. And adding the seasoning and butter. We had the coconut powder already with the peas boiled already. So the rice already went in. So we just season it now. Over the
Nice. Very nice.
So we have peel the breadfruit now. Yeah?
Breadfruit them done
Put
now.
here a lot of ashes and black. But no, you know.
Them breadfruit they look like them real turn as well.
Yeah, some of them turn.
So like, you know, yellow out of here too?
Yeah, man. These are nourished breadfruit.
Oh, okay. Most yellow come from we don't have food side. You know?
Yeah.
Nourished breadfruit them.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I tell you, Miss Rose.
Nice with true.
Breadfruit look nice.
This is the real way of doing breadfruit. I don't like when them do on the stove
No, sir.
or in the oven. Don't.
Yeah, man. Actually, the fire, the wood them get a flavor.
True.
Yeah.
That's true.
Add to the flavor.
Sometimes you have fermenter.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have different types.
Guava.
Guava and something there.
Nice.
Just them here.
Okay.
I'm hungry. But even yesterday. Look what I can do. Hi.
Can still do a little bit.
I'm swimming. I'm swimming, guys.
Oh, yeah.
I'm probably going to walk.
There, me, Joel.
You know, basmati rice, you know?
Nice.
Chili.
Nice and chili.
Yeah, man, all season.
Yeah, nice. Very nice, Stella. When the people them come and them treatment them I get, right?
Yeah, man, definitely.
Nice.
No, but it's breadfruit.
Oh.
It's my ear about that, and I'm nervous. So you know what, no? You know what, none? Oh, yeah, wait for me.
Very nice setting. Beautiful. Beautiful Portland. Outdoor cooking. Yard style. Everything well airy. How come when it was nice and sunny? I know the sun going right down. What do I eat now?
But we did enjoy our day. Love it. Well,
Big up Stella.
Ryan.
big up Stella. Big up Stella, the chef.
Yeah, Stula.
Alright, do it again, Joe. Big up Stula, the chef. Big up Stula.
Ryan, what do you think about the food, Ryan?
Nice.
There's 2 pork, you know? Yeah. Basmati rice, so we'll add the breadfruit now. And the fish.
Guys, when you come to Jamaica, please check out Stella.
Yeah, man.
Check out his page.
Definitely.
The real deal.
Stella River Tours, you know?
Yeah. Nice. The river around there, so nice. Everything well nice.